have a resume, you look at this resume and that tells you about the person's experience and their skills. It doesn't tell you how they communicate, and especially how they communicate under adversity, stress. Because when we are stressed, that's when our pure communication style is at its highest. That's when we actually really see how we communicate. This particular tool is used by Fortune 500 companies. It's used all over the world in multiple languages. As a matter of fact, I have colleagues and clients that refuse to hire any new members on their team that don't go through this process. That's how powerful it is, because they use it as a way to understand how does this member fit into the culture of the organization and how they're going to respond, and also to see that they have a blend, a good mix, which is really important. Think about a person who, let's say, normally does hiring in a company. What do we tend to do? We hire people that we're most drawn to. Who are we most drawn to? People that are most like who? Us, right? So we tend to try to attract more people that like us, but really if we simply understand that there are people with different contributions, not only in their skills, but also in their styles of communication, it's very powerful for an organization.